Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 109, Logical Reasoning, Section B, Tough. Let's start. In the following figures, select a figure amongst the four alternatives which, when placed in the blank space X, would complete the pattern. Means this is a question and you have to fit these figures in between this. So let's check. See this. The figure should be like this, right? So D should be the answer. Not DX. B should be the answer, right? Because that fits correctly over here. This hole gets fit in that nut, and this nut will fit in the hole right. Okay. Next, there is a certain relationship between the figures 1 and 2. Establish the similar relationship between the figures 3 and 4 by selecting a figure from the options that would replace the question mark. Quite simple. See this. 1 and 2 as relations, we have to establish 3 and 4 same relation. This arrow down, arrow up, opposite direction. So arrow up in 3, so arrow down in opposite direction. It can be A, B and D. Okay. Now this line jumps 2 points. Okay. So this line will also jump 2 points. So B and D, because A is not the option possible. Now between B and D, this circle jumps 2 points, 2 places, 1 and 2. Similarly, this circle will jump 2 places over here. So D is the option. D is the correct one. Next, in which of the following options figure X is exactly embedded as one of its part? Means this X should be a part of one of these figures. See here, this is merely by observation. A, B is not possible. C can be possible, but there is a problem of this line. This line doesn't fit. So D is possible. Let's check D. See this. If you draw remaining as dotted, so the correct figure would be this. This X exactly fits in D. So D is the answer. Next, all the faces of a cube are painted with blue color. Then it is cut into 125 small equal cubes. How many small cubes will be formed having no face colored? See, this is a cube. Then it is cut into 125 smaller pieces. So to watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.